Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. It's all of the highlights from Simply British Classics 2023. These are the top 3 cars as voted for by everybody here. But before we find out who's won, let's see what turned up. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Simply British Classics award ceremony. We've got 3 fabulous cars here behind us, a real mix of cars as well. I don't think we've had such variety at British Classics in the final before now, so this is wonderful to see. I'm going to start with you, sir, in this glorious Jensen 541, because you were in the final last year. Not only were you in the final last year, you won last year.
We did. We were very proud to win last year.
I mean, this is a fabulous, fabulous car. The only time I have seen one of these is here, last year.
Well, we brought it back to show it to you again, Tim.
Because didn't you rescue this from a field in Italy?
Yes, so it was rescued from a farmyard in Bristol. It went to Italy, and we then went and got it back from Italy. So it went on a big round trip before we got it and then spent 7 years restoring it.
The Mini is one of my all-time favourite cars, and this one is a glorious edition, designer edition, with these wonderful seats.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit more about this. What year is it? How long have you had it?
We've had it about 3 years. It's 1988. It was one local owner, a gentleman, and it's from Highcliffe, so it's completely local.
Now then, this is an interesting, I'm going to say car, even though you're missing a wheel.
Yeah. We've had it since February. We've had to do a complete restoration, strip the engine down. We're just hoping to paint it next year. Yeah.
Usually, if memory serves me right, these are usually orange, aren't they?
Yeah, this is one of the rare white ones. It was used to promote Rothmans cigarettes in the 70s.
The first of our runners-up, ladies and gentlemen, here at Simply British Classics 2023 is the Mini. Well done to you. You're still going home with a certificate and also a fabulous prize from Autogame, which is presented by Rachel. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the first of our runners-up. We'll get a couple of pictures as well. So it's between you two. We've got the Bond Bug, one of 3 white ones left, and our Jensen 541, which won last year. Before I reveal who our next runner-up is and indeed our overall winner, I want to find out from you, ladies and gents, which one you think has won. If you think the Jensen has won for a 2nd year in a row, can you cheer for me now? Okay, and if you think the Bond Bug has won, can you cheer for me now? All right, so I think there's just about a favourite towards the Bond Bug. So this is it, ladies and gents. The next runner-up here at Simply British Classics at Beaulieu is... I'm sorry, you're not a 2-time winner. You're the next runner-up, but I tell you what, you won last year. Well done to you, and you are still going home with a fantastic prize from Autogame. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your next runner-up, Jensen 541. Which means I have the pleasure of telling you that the People's Choice Award winner here at Simply British Classics at Beaulieu 2023 is... It's you guys, the Bond Bug. Ladies and gents, put your hands together. Well done. Are you pleased?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you believe it?
I didn't expect it to win because we were here last year with the Morris Minor.
Well, you've come in the right, I'll say car, you've come in the right car this time because you're going home with the People's Choice Award trophy. Take a look at this. There you are, young man. Make sure you hand that over to Mum and Dad at some point, yeah? And you've also got a wonderful prize from Autogame and a certificate as well. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please ask you to put your hands together for your winner, your People's Choice Award winner, the Bond Bug. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, underneath this video, you'll find a thumbs up and a subscribe button. If you hit that thumbs up, that really helps this video reach more people. It works with that YouTube algorithm. And if you hit subscribe, you'll get a new video from me pretty much every week. Now, this was the last show of my 2023 season, but it doesn't mean that there isn't more videos coming. There is loads more content coming, and I'm going to be focusing more on my car collection at home over the coming months. It's also worth hitting that subscribe button because I'm about to announce my 2024 dates. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've joined me throughout this season, thank you so much for joining me for all of those videos. More content is coming up over the next few months and into the new year.